Oh, we are making so much money right now. Let's do an update on the altcoin market. We'll take a look at the Bitcoin dominance chart, XRP, Solana, and Ethereum. And man, times are good. So behind me here is the Bitcoin dominance chart. If this chart is new to you, if it's going down, that's good for altcoins. If it's going up, it's better for Bitcoin than altcoins, right? So we are finally breaking this wedge pattern that we've been kind of dabbling in or around on the Bitcoin dominance chart. And with this bearish break, we're about to see a big swing for liquidity towards altcoins, which, zooming out to the weekly chart here, is clearly 56% where the 200-week exponential moving average is. This is a very likely place to see Bitcoin dominance bounce upwards, which in the market could result in some selling, maybe around the September 17th rate cut decision that we've been talking about. I don't know, maybe crazy, wow. What'll be fascinating to watch after that is what happens, well, after that. Can we get a break of this and fall even to the 200 simple moving average down here, resulting in an absolutely monstrous wave of money into altcoins? Probably that would have to be triggered by ETF staking being turned on for Ethereum, Solana, maybe a few other ones, but very exciting times even just in the short term for altcoins. Now let's start with Ethereum because it hit our price target here. It broke out of this wedge and has wicked into what was our short-term sell targets. Now, when I take a look at our indicators, I see even the stochastic RSI isn't yet in overbought territory, but the stochastic RSI is a good bottom indicator, not a good top one. The RSI is, and that is nowhere near overbought territory. It's not upwards, right? So that's telling me that maybe Ethereum has a little bit more to potentially go past our initial sell target here, which was pretty small. And even on short-term time frames like the 8-hour, right? We're about to get a long signal for Ethereum. We're not in overbought territory on the RSI on the short-term time frame either. So again, telling me Ethereum could even go past our expectations. But the liquidity heat map is showing us that there aren't really that many big paydays for the market to see Ethereum go higher. In fact, they get paid more if the market goes lower, so keep that in mind. Then we have Solana. Oh, and then we have Solana. It's breaking out of this channel finally. Oh, look at it. Look at this on the weekly chart. This is a nice strong long signals here. You know, we're not in overbought territory on the weekly RSI yet. In the breaking of this pattern, you take this pull, put it on top. It's actually $400 for Solana. Now, this is the weekly chart, so that could take months and months and months to happen, right? There will be a buy the rumor, sell the dip with rate cuts, all that kind of stuff, but this is looking phenomenal so far. XRP also looking great. It got above the 55-day exponential moving average and also this line of resistance as well. Those were the final last, bastions of hope for bears. And now the target to $3.60, 300 is in sight. But looking at the liquidity heat map, I would be taking profits between really $3.40 and $3.50 just to be safe. That is the update for the day. Have a good day. Do good things. Be good people. Make a bunch of money.